So again, I'm here. He's not letting me elevate to try and switch to two legs. Okay? I straighten this arm straight out. Straight out. Okay, I don't need to look at where I'm going with this hand. I just gotta start feeling it. Boom. Found my hook. Now all I'm gonna do is circle to this side and keep my pressure into him. Into him. Circle, circle to this side. Two hands to a foot. Head up still. Turn bottom leg. Free hand up to my far shoulder. Again, partner's not gonna let me switch to two legs. Okay? I fish this hand straight, and now I'm blind fishing. Blind fishing, looking for a hook. Got my hook. On my toe, off my knees, circling. Staying in tight. Staying in tight to me. Isolating the bottom leg, straightening it out. Turn. Head up and across. There's no rules against that. Like boom, here, here. If I get to this and I just circle the top leg, there's nothing wrong with that. If we just need to secure a takedown, right? If we just need to secure a takedown. The reason why I like the bottom leg is just because I can go into my turn from here. We turn, but there's nothing wrong with turning top leg. We just gotta understand, you know, I'm not gonna score backs off of that.